So in the automotive industry, especially independent shops, it's really hard sometimes to get a financial institution to financially back you up, right? So we're a business, 11 years in the business, so we're still trying to create that business credit, the business history. So banks sometimes will not take a risk, right? They don't see everything. All they see is your checks and balances. They'll see your debt, or they'll see your accounts, but they don't see the inner workings of the, what you're doing. So 360 Payments can see how much money, how much revenue is actually going through our business. So they see our potential, right? So if they see the numbers, well, for us getting the cash advance is great, because when I do talk to other banks, they're like, oh, we need more time, we're gonna think about it. I sign the form, they'll ask a couple questions, they'll approve me even the same day. I have the money in 3 days, right? And so they'll usually give you like a 9-month term or something like that. Usually we pay before 9 months, right? And it's a one-time fee versus interest on the full loan or interest on payments. So normal traditional loans, they charge you a daily fee with an interest on it. With 360 Capital, it's a percentage of your sales. So if I did have a bad day and we didn't do any sales for whatever reason, I don't make a payment, right? And then the next day, it's a little bit of money that we sell, but usually Fridays are big for us. So usually on a Friday, I cover the whole minimum payment for that month. So we're a high flow shop, so I can see that we've used it 3 times. We paid it off 3 times, and every time they offer us more capital. So for us, it's a win-win. We get the cash flow, and I like to think about it this way. Having that payment, I put it in my mind that I have another employee, right? So in my mind, I have to pay for another potential employee. I'm paying for that. So for me, it's been, if anything, the only financial institution right now that has been able to believe in us and give us the cash flow when we need it.
What have you used the funds for in your business?
So the funds, we've used it for expanding our payroll, right? We've used it for pay equipment, or even paying off other high interest loans at the moment that we're like, wait, if we can cut this $20,000 high interest loan or this $15,000 high interest loan, I'm already saving $2,000 to $3,000 a month, right? So, and that will go to pay for that loan that we get from Capital, 360 Capital. So we use it to balance our books so we can put more money in the bottom line.